How's it going, guys? Bainey here, and welcome to video 47 of how to generate an income online using Facebook ads. In today's video, I'm going to be going over how to create a warm retargeting ad. In the last one, I created a hot retargeting ad, so it's very similar, just use a different audience. So I just wanted to run through how to set that up. Before I get started, guys, if you're following along and you like the content I put out, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and leave me a comment below if you have any questions. If you're not sure what this video is, I've put together 47 videos now on exactly what I do on a day-to-day basis that helps me generate an income online using Facebook ads. So part of that is running Facebook ads for other businesses. Part of that is running Facebook ads for my own business. And there's 1,000 different things you can do once you learn how to do run Facebook ads. So if that's something you think you might be interested in, go back to video 1 and watch it all the way through to this one. And by the end of it, you should have a pretty good idea of what it is I do on a daily basis, and maybe you too can start working from home and quit that day job that you might not like very much. So that being said, guys, let's just jump into it. So if you followed along yesterday's video, guys, you would have seen this hot retargeting ad I set up. So I'm just going to edit this one today so I don't have to start everything from scratch. So what we first need to do is we need to create the audiences. So we go back into our audience sections like we were yesterday, and we need to create custom audiences for Facebook and Instagram. So instead of going to a website like we did yesterday, we come down here and select the Instagram account. So just go next. And this is warm because this is anyone that's seen your content before but hasn't yet visited your website. Make sure your page is selected. Make sure it's your professional account. 365 days. There's heaps of different options here. So anyone who's visited your profile, people who have engaged with any post or ad, people who have sent you a message. I like to just keep it on the top one, anyone who's engaged, which also includes anyone that's visited your profile. So it pretty much covers everyone. 365 is the maximum you can go on Instagram and Facebook. So let's come down here and I name it CA for custom audience, IG 365, and I usually do the date, which is 12th. That's how we create that one. It comes up here at the top. We want to do the same for Facebook. So come down here to Facebook page. Again, make sure your page is selected, which it should be straight away. Again, same options as the other one. Anyone who is engaged with my page, which includes everyone that's engaged with any of your posts and stuff as well. So that covers everyone. We'll go 365 days again. So CA for custom audience, Facebook, 365 days, and then the date. Oops, I forgot to add that. So now they're done, we can go back to our ad and we can create the ad. So usually I would let this sit for a couple hours before I make the ad, but I've already got everything set up, so I'm just going to show you how to do it. So I just need to refresh this page, and because this is a warm retargeting ad, I'm just going to edit this and just change it. So I just want to edit it. Everything here stays the same. If you didn't watch yesterday's video, go back and watch it. This will make a lot more sense. Come down here. Everything else stays the same, guys. And where we had all website visitors, we want to exit that. We want to put those custom audiences that we just made before, which is Facebook 365 and Instagram 365. We also want to exclude anyone that's visited your website in the last 180 days or 30 days or whatever you want to do. You want to exclude these people because a warm audience is anyone that's seen your content but hasn't yet visited your website. So you want to exclude everyone that's visited your website so far. Ages and stuff you can change depending on whatever product you're selling, same as location. Make sure this is always off. That will automatically come on when you create an ad, so make sure it's turned off on retargeting ads. It's really important. Automatic. Leave all this stuff the same, and then the same as yesterday. I'm just going to use the same ad. So I'm not going to change anything on this page. And that's pretty much basically how you set up a warm retargeting ad using those custom audiences we just built. The only thing that really changes from a hot retargeting ad to a warm retargeting ad is this section here. You put your Facebook and Instagram custom audiences up here, and then you exclude the website visitors custom audience here. So hopefully that all makes sense, guys. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments below. And this is really getting to the tail end of this course now. I think the next one is probably just going to be a wrap-up. Do like a bit of an overview of all the stuff we've covered, unless I think of something else I can fit in there in the meantime. So thanks for following along, guys. If you like this content, feel free to share it with anyone that's running Facebook ads, one of your friends, a business owner, your boss maybe. You're looking at selling stuff online. Literally, if you're selling a product whatsoever, your customers are on Facebook, and you can really target them easily using Facebook ads, really cheaply too, depending on your product. So yeah, hopefully you got some value out of this, guys. If you've got any questions, let me know, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.